Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do an analysis on Bitcoin as we just entered the new month yesterday. So let's analyze Bitcoin starting from the monthly time frame. We're going to analyze Bitcoin starting from the monthly time frame since we just entered a new month yesterday. So let's get started. This thing is supposed to be more than this, but I think because of network, that's why the other chat is not showing. It's supposed to be more than this. Let me refresh first. Okay, let's make do with what we have, sha. Let's make do with what we have. So starting from the monthly time frame, you can see that overall Bitcoin has been bullish. We can all see that overall Bitcoin has been very bullish, irrespective of whatever has been happening since we've been bullish time, right from inception. We've been very much bullish. So you can practically see that Bitcoin has been bullish overall. So and again, let me just let me just remove this line. And again, you can also see that Bitcoin is approaching a major support zone at the monthly time frame. Bitcoin is approaching a major support zone at the monthly time frame. So this zone now, this is the key level zone that we should be looking at out for Bitcoin. In case maybe we want to trade lower, we are going to trade to this zone maybe before going up. So that this zone is a key zone now that we are going to be looking at for Bitcoin now. You can also see the all-time high here. We can also see the all-time high here, right here, which is around 71, which is around 71. No, it's making a mistake. Yes, this is the all-time high, which is around 69.16, 69.16, 69.165, 69.166.5. So that's the all-time high. So if Bitcoin eventually test this zone successfully, we might see a push up and break of this all-time high. And you can also see that this formed something like a double top pattern over here. We had like a double top pattern over there. So if Bitcoin successfully test this low of this bottom, we might probably see a break of this all-time high. Or another scenario could be we break this support and head lower. The next resistance could be somewhere around here. The next support could be somewhere around 13,729 area. But actually, we're not praying for that to happen. So that will be the next support. Sorry, that will be the next support line for Bitcoin around this area. So let's go down to the daily time frame to see more. And another point I want to point out is we can see that April's candle closed bearish. So throughout April we were bearish. Now let's hope for the best for me, but in my own opinion, I still feel this gap is going to be filled, this 29k gap before heading upwards. But that's just purely my own opinion. And markets can do what markets to do. So let's go to the daily time frame actually first to see more confluence, to check more confluence. So guys, if you want to use the exchange I use, sign up with Bybit exchange. They're highly recommended. They have good tight liquidity, no unnecessary risks, and they'll give you $100 bonus if you register with my link down in the description below and make your first deposit. You're going to have $100 bonus. So sign up with Bybit Exchange. They're very good. You can start trading futures with as low as $10. So let's start with the daily time frame. We can see this trend line here. Okay, I think this trend line has already gotten tapped. If at all I'm right. Yeah, so this trend line probably has already gotten tapped. So if I clone it, if I make it in a channel wise, let me put it in a channel wise. That's I'm actually trying to make it like a channel. Okay, yeah. Now we can see the channel. Now we are at the support of we are at this we are at this support we are at this support level here. So if you can even still draw like a support zone, yeah, something like this. You could even still draw something like this, a support zone right over there. And yeah, so maybe that if we do not still trade, if we don't break this wedge, if we don't break this wedge, we should be heading upwards. But if paraventure will break this wedge, you know that the next zone is around here. That's we're going to break. Sorry, the next zone is going to be around that weekly support that I said probably Bitcoin will tap, which is around here, which is this horizontal line, These are our weekly support that I said Bitcoin will probably tap because there are still some gaps left. So if we break this wedge, we're going to trade lower. If we break this wedge and retest, we're going to trade lower, or else we trade higher. You can look for entries on lower time frame within this. You can look for entries on lower time frame within this wedge. You can just look for entries there on lower time frame within this wedge. There's also still anything else? No, no, no. This looks like a bullish flag too, a bearish flag. This is our all-time high. So yeah, there's nothing. So Bitcoin probably will do something like this, consolidating within this wedge. So to break our all-time high, we need to come out of this wedge to retest before breaking the all-time high. Or if we break this wedge to retest, then we head down to our weekly support, uh, our monthly support. I meant to say our monthly support level. So that is it, guys. Just keep it simple. If you want to look for entries within the wedge, you can just go to like the 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame, probably, depending on how you trade. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame now, you can see the latest price action. You can see the latest price action now here. So maybe you can decide to wait for a breakout and a retest before trading longer out of this 4 hour wedge. Yeah, out of this 4 hour wedge, you can wait for something like this before you take your trades. So or you wait for a break lower to find and refine your entry. You could still go lower to find any other confluence you need to enter or refine your entry. So guys, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, smash the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we drop new content. This encourages us to create more content for you steadily. Thank you for your support. So that's all about Bitcoin majorly that I can say. I just wanted to analyze it from monthly time frame since our monthly candle closed yesterday. We're in a new month now. This is May, and our monthly candle closed yesterday. So I just decided to just do a quick analysis on Bitcoin so that we'll know what we're expecting in May. I am expecting us to be bullish because from the daily time frame, and if fake meeting is coming up too, so that will also determine our next move. For now, we might just consolidate in the range. Fake meeting is coming up soon. That will also determine our next move because since we've already tapped all these all this liquidity right here. We've already tapped it. So the only option is to head higher at least to 50k. But if paraventure due to fundamental news or whatever we break lower, I'm certain we are going to 29k. Like it's obvious. It's very much obvious that we will still head to 29k. So irrespective of whatever you take, just make sure you trade safe, practice proper risk management, and live well. My name remains Crypto Bliss. Thank you once again.